Hi friends, then there is a next topic, helical screw actuator. In this we see the helical screw actuator diagram. Helical screw, piston nut, guide rod, etc. is shown in the figure. Okay, this piston is concentrated to have a only linear travel and not rotation by a guide rods. This piston and the piston rod of a helical grooves or spine and meshed together like a nut and screw. Okay, then there is, as the piston is actuated under the hydraulic thrust due to the oil pressure, it causes a piston rod to rotate in one direction. The reversible of piston travel alters the direction of rotation of the rod. Okay, it has been found to different or difficult to provide hydraulic seal between the piston and the rod, as the arrangement is suitable for low pressure application on angular rotation beyond the 360 degree as shown in the figure. Okay, then next one is mounting of hydraulic cylinder. Okay, in this there are the three types of classification of mounting of cylinder. Okay, first one is central line mounting, then foot mounting and pivot mounting. Okay, then first one we'll see the explanation of center line mounting. In this mounting, the cylinder support along with center line. The mounting bolts are the subjected to shear or simple stress. This mounting needs accurate alignment. Okay, this alignment is not tolerable. Okay, then foot mounting. The foot mounting of the cylinder introduces torque under the loaded condition. The cylinder may rotate or bend above the mounting bolt when loaded. The stress level on the cylinder higher as compared to the cylinder line. Pivot mounting. Many application needs rotation. Many application needs rotation of pivot mounting, can be a clean type or tuning type. Okay, this mounting permits rotational freedom in one direction provisional of universal joint at the pivots along greater degree of rotation freedom. I show the various type of mounting is shown in the figure. Okay, then next there is a point of method of installation. Okay, there are shown many of diagram of installation. Okay, then in that we can say that the cylinder may install using various mechanical linkage. This linkage transfer a linear motion into oscillation motion or rotary motion. Okay, linkage also enables to increase or decrease the effectively leverage and stroke of the piston. Cylinder are oftenly subjected to this load due to the misalignment. The perfect alignment is pushed or possible as shown in the figure. Okay, these are the type of mechanical linkage. They have a various name: first class lever, second class lever, third class lever, and etc. Okay, then we can say that next point, cylinder cushioning, a method of achieve piston declaration towards the end of stroke. Okay, for next we see the working. For observing the kinematic energy of load during the declaration, cylinder are fitted with cushioning as shown in the typical diagram. The piston is provided with a spike or spear and the piston rod with a sleeve. The spike break the main flow path of the oil level of the cylinder. Okay, The oil thus has find a alternative path to be reversible, which meters out the flow of oil during the last part of the stroke. A check valve is provided by passing a cushing restriction for the return stroke. Okay. So this is diagram of cushing arrangement as shown in the figure. It has the exhaust flow pass free or cylinder until the check valve allows free flow to the piston for extension. Plunger enters cap. Rate of declaration in control by adjustable opening. This point shows that no flow must taken restriction path causing the piston of declaration. Okay, and then last diagram, cushing sphere, cylindrical port, cushing adjustment restrictor, and piston retraction. Okay, then next we can say that pressure variation in cushing. The extremely high pressure are likely to develop within a cylinder cushing during declaration. Okay, the cushing device set up a back pressure for declaring the load. The variation of pressure in cushing for various position of the cushing speak in the shown in the figure. Okay, ideally the back pressure set up by the cushing should be constant over the complete cushioning length of progressive load declaration. However, in the practice of cushing pressure is much higher as a split enters to cushing. Okay, the cushioning performance can be performed or improved to same extent using by a tapped or stepped cushing split. Okay, thank you for watching this video.